Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new in this channel, consider to subscribe, like the video, comment and tell us what you think about what the video is all about. This is an update of a video made by IPOB. I will not say he's a DOS member because he said he's not, but he's affiliated to Mazam Kanu's siblings. I believe he's part of the people that Kanunta Kanu is in control of them, and the video he made bashing on PM and Biafran government in exile is what I would like you to listen to. I'm not going to do reaction to that. I will come back later to on our live broadcast. On our live broadcast, we are going to look into this video. But one of our brother Freeman is here in his platform, and I would like you to hear what Freeman said and what the guy is saying. Okay, so like I said, I will bring the analysis. I will tell you my own opinion when we are live. So I will stream today and we are going to react to that. We are going to think together. We are going to share ideas together about this. But Freeman is here and he did a very good job. He did justice to that. You know, some of us are, confused about what people want. And Freeman threw a very important question to him. Kudos to Freeman. I thank you, my brother, for your effort, and what you have done here is marvelous. But we are going to do it together later in the day. So please bear with me, and I would like you to listen to this because I don't want to waste much of your time because the video is quite long. That's why I don't want to, comment much on that. Let's go there. Thank you.
Those states, some other states, okay, those states, I don't know, almost 50 something states again. Today, I think I was all states. They carve people from Abia State and Anambra State and Imo State and call them all. I think, how far about the state of creating? Is it functioning? Who is their governor? Or who is representing all the states? All the provinces of creating? How far? He get to referendum in Finland. Create a country in Africa. So, are you telling me that Catalonia to referendum in Germany or in UK? We're not creating Catalonia in Spain. Okay? Take your emotion out, okay? Face the reality. Face the reality. Face the reality. Mazin can say that I am coming back and I'm coming with hell. Somebody already and actually take it really. Monkey they walk, bamboo they shop. Now only they go. But we don't care. Because all those things only know that is coming to pass. No, yeah, there. But he says those of us we should remain focused. If not the activities of Chika Paul Dozien, China Sawan Kita, Tony one bottle is Gumike, or Sinabine. I want someone like Simon Eber. It's because of their activities that created Simon Eber. It's because of they did not obey Onyen's instruction. It's created Simon Eber. That is the fact. Then now, sometimes you will meet some people from Biafran government in there that will tell you they like to put a story like a story of Moses and Joshua. Then I ask them, if Mazen Nankani is Moses, Simon Eber is Joshua, who is Ojuku? Who is Ojuku? Who is Ojuku? If you want to use that story, that Mazen is going to you will tell that story. Now, I am asking them to come up now. Also, because he cannot withstand the truth. He can't withstand the truth. He can't withstand the truth. He can't withstand the truth. So don't ever, whatever the group you want to belong, you have the right, belong to the group, defend them. But don't cross carpet or try to compare Moses and Joshua. No, was Mazin Nan can only compare in the whole world itself. Simon about that he have this band DOS. He have this band ESN. What are you talking? In this band ESN. At the end of the day, no, they change the Biafran flag. This is Mazes Mezu. I can see nobody's coming up because this Mazes Mezu. Come on, put your challenge. Come and put your face. Can now you need you so again? Because before now, a lot of people telling me, Mazi, why not to stay? We'll talk about it. Are you afraid? Afraid of whom? I can't on your mom this that you're too. Namutamatomi, go, mother didn't do. In the kilo and the kilo and 12. Oh, I actually put my uncle, time like boy. So now it's open. Come up and talk and come and defend whatever you want to defend. Can I give you tell you can take what you can whoever you want to attack, tell them let him come and say I'm this mess. Let it come up, bring that your question. Let's see. I see the way forward. If you want the way forward, listen to Guinea Mazin Nandi Kanu. If you want the way forward, listen to Mazin Nandi Kanu. If you want to listen to Mazin Nandi Kanu, how? Listen from MK Legati. Listen from him. Listen from Prince Meme, the messenger from our leader. Listen to Kanunta Kanu, the messenger from our leader. That is the way forward. Because me and you, we cannot do it. You cannot, me and you, me and you, we cannot do it. We cannot do what Mazin is doing. We cannot do it. So listen to the message from Mazin and the Kanu. That is the way forward. Or you step aside and join whoever you want to join. Don't bring these two people together. Okay, one certain time and cannot about Sonia or Abalawa. I have the video. No, it's verified. No, saying that even Mazin and the Kanu fans popular is getting popular more than Mazin. That someone is getting more popular than Mazin and the Kanu. He's getting more fans. Look at more. I was in Canada. See that now all Europe, no one ever do pull cloud more than Simon and the women in Finland, except Biafran land. I will present one video of town hall meeting. Only do men in America. Now Texas alone, only one town hall meeting. Go and see the population. You are comparing Mazin and the and somebody else. Because I know a lot of you guys are with emotion because what Nigeria state have done to us. Everybody is too emotional so that when we hear I will attack Nigeria government, I will do this, I will do that. Yeah, yes. But it's okay. The only thing is that he have established his movement and he have taken responsibility of his movement. That is fine and that is good. That's the only thing. But don't compare Mazin and Kanu. Mazin and Kanu any comparison at all. Nobody can compare with Mazin and Kanu at all. Nobody. In the history of Biafra, even our evil people's general have not done in terms of to unite Biafra. Remember, people's general with somebody will respect, even to the death. Everything. But Mazin and they can. You would ever far with that now. After the Biafra war, a lot of people scattered. A lot of people scattered. About some people deny their origin, deny their Igbos, deny their Biafrans. But only the Mazin and Kanu bring everybody together. Everybody together. With everybody together. It's all Chika Poli those years of the saw you only do people. But it's on American, it's failing now. Mazi Freeman, please tell us the way forward. The way forward, listen if you are IPOB member, even IPOB family member, listening to instruction of Mazin and Kanu. That's the way forward. If we are not, listen to whoever is your leader. In Oluna Masop, listen to Wazlike. In Oluna Biafra government in Israel, listen to him. But at the end of the day, I am At the end of the day, I'm So that's the way forward. Don't come here and ask me what's the way forward. The way forward, whatever you belong, if you belong to Simon Eba, listen to him. If you belong to IPOB, listen to our leader Mazin and Kanu, supreme leader Mazin and Kanu. If you belong to Masop, listen to Wazlike. If you belong to any other one, listen to their leader. That's all. But remember, ask us to follow Simon Eba and share his program. This is something people know or we look primary school. Look at people, somebody there now. But remember, Mazin can ask us to follow Simon Eba and share his video. Very important. Yes. Oh, yeah, no clear now. No clear. Is the fact clear? But also, go and listen, go and follow. I'm not so now. How about in Yoruba? What is this guy? Okay, Yoruba, what is this guy? The only guy that sees the main consistency. Okay, Yoruba, I'm forgetting this guy's name. Man's not gonna say, go and listen to him too. And other people now that fell by their side, fell by the load. Only to see, go and listen to them too. So now only to see, go and listen to somebody that is bringing a new dimension. It doesn't make any difference what we're saying today. If Masnan can praise you today and tomorrow you change, so you expect people of course not to talk about it because only to say we should listen to you. That's not right. So if we want to say, go and listen to that person, fine and good, listen to that person. But when that person deviates from what Onyendu is telling you to do, or what Onyendu expects him to do, you are expecting me, person like me, not to talk about it. Do you know how many people you say you should go and listen to? Is it old Simon Ekpa? Man. Be man enough. Or if you want to come in, I send you the link, come in. Be man enough. Is it only Simon Ekpa? Go and listen to. It's not only Simon Ekpa. A lot of them. Both my Faith Ogala. Where is Faith Ogala today? A lot of them. He did not ask us to follow Mayegu, but he said that he's doing a good job. Come. The link is there. I've sent the link before. Let me send you the link again. Look at the link again. Okay, in YouTube. Okay, look at the link again. Come in, come and tell me. Onyendu mentioned a lot of people's names. Is it only Simon Ekpa na Ajogo? That's all. So, Freeman, the link is there. Come in and come and defend.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, please introduce yourself to Biafrans and bring your question, okay?
Yeah. Good night, good morning, good afternoon, Biafrans, wherever you're listening from. Yeah, we are in the program of Mazi Izumezu Nwekwensu, live and direct. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So Mazi, you're welcome. You know, whatever we are saying here today is not out of personal something or personal hate. It's to educate our people and it's left our people to know the truth or not. You know. And again, we don't need to insult. You know, to make our point. We say things. We say things when they are saying things. I will allow you to say things to free yourself. When I want to say, you allow me to say something, okay? So people will follow us well. Okay, Mazi, you're welcome, Freeman. Yeah, let me mark your name. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So Mazi, you go on. One question you go on.
Thank you very much, my brother. You know, we all are Biafrans, you know, and we believe in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of Ahmadike 1. Nobody else. But Ilanya Igamana, like Mazi no behind the bar. And when you're behind the bar, you can't do anything. And now, come we go to this estimate, nine azwana, and Ogma Wonyin Duai, then Ndiro Wage Degi, you know, Kegi, Abo Keche, Gono, Brugi Po, and that align azo, that our compound, is very, very important for us. And the name was Alomo. Imona umu yotago imona woke mo wine mo ihe niile then if you na duto na ndị ru ejide go gi kechie gi then I ga hapụ si ihe ha na-eme na-eche until mgbe ọwụla ịpụta ịghọta ajụjụ m.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should I answer?
Yes.
Okay. Let me repeat your question again. You said that in a family,
yes,
a father, then
yes,
a father, then umya will not keep quiet to allow the enemy to do whatever to their father, right?
No, ask him, let me repeat again. Can you got my question? In a family, and the father Musalomu, then ndị mmadụ ndị ọzọ bịa na-azọ that their family, na-azọ that their house. Along line, ejide the father, kenya agbụ, kechie ya anya, you know, kenya okwu, then buru ya pụọ. Ọwụmụ ya agaghị azọwa that ụlọ ha nke ụmụ ya ọ ga-agbachasị si oke na-ejidego mpa ka onye ọ na-agba ọsọ ntụrụ mgbe ọbụla mpa jiri pụta ka mpa bịa bidokwe n'isi zọwa ụlọ ya.
Okay, that's good. Okay, now I do understand what your question. Now, but first of all, it's a different thing in what you're trying to connect with. But let me answer you. Let me answer the question.
Just answer me.
Yeah, Umuya to fight with their blood to defend that property of their father. And again, Umuya again. if they are getting message with their father, they will also be fighting an instruction of their father given to them. Am I audible now?
Yes.
Two different answers can you go? Two different answers. How near did they demand? Take care of everything. Another know about the man. Nothing. I don't know about the man at all. Where will fight with their last drop of their blood to defend that property.
Thank you very much.
To defend that property. Number one. Number two. Open that man ekechilanya, mokunanya. No be born on never instruction. Where will also fight through the instruction the man never. These are the two questions, the two answers.
Okay, look, fine. In my head, then before he did the man being the father of the house, Osina and don't manage there. The father mana Ijon aga very rugged EJ here in Azo and don't manage there. Then Osi Emurufunwaya Otros more than Omuya Nile. And the man will like almost 15. Man Emurufunwaya Otros more than anybody. Upon the Osaha, Lenonia. So when Onya, you have Lonia Kuru, many Yonya Kuru, Oku, Basasa Nozia, Makana, Emune, Onyama, Bonaga, Eba Onya, Eba Yawanaga, Webonya Naga, Mana Webegi. And again, Osege, Leonian Koso, Nahane Mekao, Jisin Nikana name, Manaonya. Brother, let me tell you one thing. Mayagu General, Onyan do commentary, Mayagu General, Onyan do commentary. Oh, ya kamna wadi here. Mmechasi bata. Onye ndu commentary Mayagu General na ona rezibonu. Onye ndu sai so nwe Mayagu share his video. Onye ndu kporo Biafran child. Na Biafran child na rezibonu. Onye ndu commentary efe. Nefe na anụkọ ezigbo ọrụ na ha jisi ike ihe onye ndu gwara ha na ha jisi ike with the next person onye ndu kpọrọ Faith Ogala ọ kpọrọ Mayegwu ọ kpọrọ Faith Ogala ọ kpọrọ Biafran child ọ sị ha na-efe ihe ọ sị ha ụmụ m jisi n'ike na ihe na-eme mana onye ndu pointer Simon Ekpa ọ pointer sị lee na onye a sume na onye a share video ya because na onye a na-ebu ya ihe anyị na-eme onye a na-eweta ya to another dimension and ever go exactly that thing. And my brother, Ilanya iga mana ihe niile Simon Ekpa na-eme exactly ihe onye ndu mana ga balance obu because mbosi I made fasting that I grew from Psalm 1 to 100 and all after that Psalm aguchara ka onye ndu nwere nsogbu a and o mana oge nwe nsogbu a and the onye onwu na onye ndu sai soro mo ule anya na wo kwa Simon that is the reason why and o nwere ofu okokwu o si look na ndị Biafra adro stupid ni na-eme ihe I nwere ike na-emeche na ị ga-eme no mana Biafra nọrọ na-ege ntị na ahụ na ya na-eme wezigbo ihe ha ga na-eso gị kita ke Faith Ogala kita ke efe kita ke Biafran child kam hapụgodu Mayegwu General nọ na-eme nke ya mana ihe ọ na-eme nwa nọkata ọbata n'ime Simon Ekpa and mara na mgbe o kwuru okwu maka onye ndu unu mere ya attack mgbe ahụ nọ na DOS unu mere attack na why o ga-eji ekwuwe about onye ndu na ekwuru onye ndu ọsịkwa unu na-enweghị onye nwere right ịgwụ ya ihe ọ ga-eme na ya ga na-ekwu maka onye ndu amamichetere mana ya nwe na onwe ya sef anara dị ekwu maka onye ndu ihe ọ na-ekwu maka ọ na-eme analysis nke ya mana onye ndu wepụtara Simon Ekpa onye ndu wepụtara Simon Ekpa nye onye ọbụla o si onye ndu si anyị and ihe ahụ is just like warning o si you must listen to onye ndu mere MUST you must listen to him and share his video very very important ị nwere ike iwepụta ihe ahụ kwuarigoro ihe ị nwere ike play that video ka ọ m chọta ya ka anyị play ya n'abalị a ka anyị maragoro ka onye ndu si wee kọwara anyị Simon Ekpa onye ndu kọwara Simon Ekpa to the extent onwero ntụbọ and the first mgbe onye ndu bara n'aka ndị DSS the first message onye ndu wepụtara ndị DOS deny ya ọ si give Simon a slot ka ọ bịa na radio Biafra mere ihe ahụ ọ na-eme because ọ ya onye ndị mmadụ na-ege ntị mana the head of DOS ha gbanyere ya nobody listen to that nobody listen even to the obima onye mere wepụta eziokwu ahụ nwanne Kanunta Kanu onye ndu si allow Simon Ekpa to give him a slot unu agbanye ya and again they asked him to surrender his platform where na Radio Biafra. But being an intelligent officer, the guy, he did not, of which okay, I'm surrender this platform here, but as you know, na Radio Biafra. Here a lot of people, and they kick a lot of people out. Kick here. If not, they learn kick here out, and whereby I kick here out, I kick everybody out. I even, I'm not even having a boy. Man, excuse me, Chelo.
Okay, man.
Just one, then I will let you to talk more again before we come in. Since 3 years, onya, and we beg evidence, and we beg your phone evidence, and we beg your phone evidence. And we put tradosa na table so when you hear this guy, man, no single one, and we beg you. All naturally go one years yoku, and we beg your phone buru. And the this guy the wrong. Oh no, whenever the wrong equal. The other day, it's not the only place he hold the wrong one. Also, in a year this bank go DOS, and then they use Mazin Nam the Carlo Ahaya. Nobody even go on now, giving go and he use Wahamazi. Only one and they use Ahamazi. Mazi be the way in this struggle. Have to go do Wazirike and others. You got to go. Only one they use Ahamazi Nam the Carlo because he is on the front. And that's why Simon Ekpaji when they use it. And the one day, only one thing you now, then he continue. Only interview Agara. Only is there. Simon Ekpa is there. Ajiro Simon Ekpa Ajiro first. Ozagide Zacha. Ajo Mazi Nkia Mazi see it's just like or see anyway. No one on here Ogeku. If we keep up that this thing now player or come up take player na balia. Mazi Nam de Carlo after Simon Ekpa clear at the air. Mazi Nam de Carlo say, my God, that now he has nothing to say. It's just like this guy went right inside his mind and stood and still. Now exactly we hear Simon Ekpa in short. Simon, that you have finished everything. Only to catch up those biro. He never say anything. This is the reason why. Or I believe this is the reason why a lot of people. Monana look. White snow. Thank you.
I am where somebody but God got network kick it out. Mazi when did if Okuga Kita Noa? It on your Eba market, but where I go from Majuju, you evaluate more. But again, because all I did before. First of all, let me clarify something. It's okay on a with DOS. Today, I am still with DOS.
Okay.
When it's not, I want you to get that fact. I am still with DOS. So what I'm gonna put DOS because DOS will start only to put you. I am castigating the activities of Chika Paul the
head of DOS.
Yes, I am. I am castigating them individually, not DOS as a body. I've told you this before. DOS comprised of many people, many departments, both Madam Nyanya and terminated after left. So that one aside. Now you see that now all no nyendu a man or Ofunwea now one came 15. Say we should listen to him. Menka. Now, let me also ask you again. Also Simon going to see you should go and follow. Also Simon, yes or no? Even need yes or no?
Yes.
Oh yeah, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Hold on, because I'm not going to bring the video now. I will bring the video. Do this thing now. Okay, now I want to determine to play the video and but we see yes. Not also
yes.
Simon, right? Okay.
Yes.
Then now,
I recommend they are doing a good job. I listened to it. Also, just I told you, because recommend that they are doing a good job. Man, on your side will follow Simon and share his video. Very important. When you use this language now, Simon.
No, Maz, listen. What you said that not also Simon because we should go and follow.
And share his video, very important. Yes.
And share his video accordingly. No,
very important.
That is bringing a new dimension in our struggle.
Exactly.
So I want you to underline this your statement today because tomorrow or next, I will bring a video. Everyone here to see that we should follow these people. They are doing a great work. And I also bring a video where you mention their names. That one aside. Now, if we talk about a man, 15. Can you repeat that your question again? Because actually, can say what I go? No?
Yes.
Yeah.
As in all instances with question. Na in a family, an example, like in a family, what I go, then the man when like almost 15. And almost 15 now. No. Mana osio phone, you know, of what has had the nonya. So when nonya. Na you nonya kuru. Unu menya o. Because nena ganjem. Ona mo bata. Because onye ndu mana here game. That's why you just say I am coming.
Don't take my time. No. Now, that man, but that son, outlaws up here. See, unless you follow him up here.
Yes.
Okay. That son, that man trust, according to you. We can see that no man no from only came no instruction from that man anymore. From every man now, every man no. Yes or no? Yes or no? One that man, yes or no?
Yes, with a reason. Yes, with a reason. Don't the reason why. In which case, the reason why.
No. When this why? Because if I'm saying that man, Genti, now that man for other children. Where's here? Then this Mr. B. Many was an close to me. Many was to me. Where cover that in them. So when anything attached, okay, with this thing. So I'm going to make my answer. With this. No. So where to go now? Where's now? That man cover that in them. Where's the others should follow this particular person? That one we can you see that no man is instruction for that man. See so others should obey him. You see no. So
yes, with reason. Yes, with reason.
No, okay, now let me give you the benefit. Give me the list again because
thank you very much. Thank you very much. The reason here because Ndiro Derabia Buria and Ndiro puta hasiae nampaye se na ya gazile na yerizile nri na ya nguzile mmiri just like DOS birasiae onye ndose kwụsị sit at home na onye ndose kwụsị nka Simon nwa ya ahụ nwa na mpa ya enweghị ike ikwu this thing because mpa ya trust and don't trust mpa ya wee sị na ya enweghị ike ịnụ enweghị ihe ọbụla unu ga-abịa asị na mpa m si from there ya ga-ekwe because na ọbụrụ onye mpa ya kwuru because na ihe ọbụla ya na-eme ya na-ewere ya from obi mpa ya ebe ahụ nọ. This is the only reason why you to say na ya enweghị ike iwe anything ọbụla onye ndu kwuru from inside dungeon because ọnwụ ndị ahụ ji ya na-abịa sị ya na mpunu sị nwanne no mpunu sị since onye ndu kwa nọrọ inside that place the only thing I know na from onye ndu I am here is because of you people I am here na si kwụsị ya na-eme and ọgwa ndị ọ na-agwa na ha kwụsị the next one uwe nke ọ pụtakwara the other day kwuo ihe ndị ọzọ a na-ekwu owu den say
Maazị listening ekwentị ekwela no you go now is go from a man in a man in a user and instances where back onye ndu
ya mpai na ya mpai ahụ na-agwa gị
no ke pụtakwa dia mma chọwa ga-azụ eziokwu again you know
okay
no ekwentị ekwela you know so now because of now it's not ndị ilo ji let's throw that can I forget about this man because we will be about that man can you face the reality because of this now onye ndu na aka ndị DSS so that means Samuel will not take instruction from Onyendu Mazin Nande Kanu. So now, all at the same Onyendu could open a court. That's why again, Simon do this. Oh yes, no, because I can do DSS. Because oh yes, no. Not DSS is there to say this. That means Mazin Nande Kanu, who the leader, got somewhere, and that somewhere organ. There is a 10 days not a instruction. Ebono. Obodo that na mmadụ na-agadia. Mmadụ na-agadia. Obodo na anya na-agadia. Anya na-agadia ọ na-agadia.
I nwere ike ịgwa onye na-agada place.
Listen, when I'm saying
gwagwodu onye ahụ na-agada place.
When they get you when I'm saying something, don't interrupt me. But when you interrupt me, that's why when you're saying something, I give you a chance to say something. You know?
Okay.
So Onyendu no somewhere and the message is coming out. Now, if we talk about Radio Biafran to give him a slot, then you guys, someone that believe that Onyendu with that message, that Onyendu said that we should give me a slot.
Kanunta said so.
I'm coming, listen, I'm coming. Someone that believe that message is from Onyendu, then when it come other way around, it's not from Onyendu.
Like then which one?
When it come that message, it add low cable someone ever. If not obey it.
Like which one? Like again onye ndukola. Ngwa you reach go of onye ndukola.
Okay, listen.
Okay.
On the year 2022. December 15, there was a memo only into the lease out that DOS should stay away from activities of Simon Ekpa. That memo, Simon share here, will share everywhere because he's favor him, more favor here. Unlike that statement. So when only wouldn't care like that. No,
like which one?
No, listen. No.
Simon.
Okay, Ganti. When I say this, I bring evidence.
Exactly.
Now Simon Ekpa to go on his platform and announce that sit at home is cancelled. And Simon Ekpa, this one kind of it was on background before he come on media. And Simon Ekpa say, okay, no need the evidence to that, no need to clear. At the end of the day, I put a little note from Mazin Nandikan to Simon Ekpa. Did Simon Ekpa obey it? Yes or no?
Okay, come back one thing.
No, yes or no?
He did not obey it because of what he Duku. Yes. If for that note, thank you. Listen, the very first time opposite at home putara DOS Sina Onyen do say sit at home. That night, Simon Ekpa Kuria through Simon Ekpa Kuria na Onyen do say sit at home. Biafrans on Monday. Biafrans eke hunting. Biafrans may sit at home Monday observe. Eruna Bali that night Simon Ekpa puta we sikwa but na onye ndu si sit at home and na onye onuna ujo bidoze ya then na ihe anyị na-eme echenjikwala mgbe ahụ ka even enwedo onye nwa na onye ndu ekwugo about autopilot. Simon used that language. Enwere guy gara wepụta that talk of onye ndu. Na ihe anyị na-eme abago autopilot. Even onye ọ na-ama ihe autopilot. Autopilot wụ ịnyagide plane gagide ruo autopilot. Pilot can sleep. Ọ nya emecha ihe niile. Ama m na agba flight. Ọ na-agaziri onwe ya. Mgbe ahụ sit at home Monday jizaki ya na-agara onwe ya. Simon Ekpa sị na asikwa na onye ndu na di igwe support DOS then ma ọrụ na iwu onye eziokwu ga-enye am na-ekwu my brother n'ihu Chukwu na n'ihu mmadụ n'abalị that night Simon Ekpa sị na onye ndu sikwa na DOS sị na ka akwụsị sit at home but Biafrans ji aka ha kike that sit at home on ebe a ka autopilot a jiri pụta ha fully again that lady na-asị ejima akọ dere look onye ndu cannot bring ya agaghị eweta ọgwụ na nwanne mepe anya gị a sheet of paper totally dey here. A very long sheet of paper mana adokaya is just very nobody here. He be na group Biafrans. And that day the man was shaking reading that thing. Among what I him neku. We are
Okay, again to one now because like I said before, we are not saying or maybe for me to convince you or for you to believe for what I'm saying, but in people are listening to you and people are listening to me. Now you have established that letter go from Onye Ndumas and Kanu.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't want to talk about okay, but I am at least from our leader. Now let's go to the sit at home.
Okay.
Let's go to sit at home again. You know, we said that when DOS announced that sit at home is suspended, that Simon Ekpa obey it. Or people for the first day, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Again, you know, I have said this in my program many times, and don't put yourself. You put earlier, you might only confuse Simon Ekpa to change mind. And I have the video because I have spent a lot of time here. I'm not able to play the video. The first time.
One thing in each of you put on a program or every more than 5-6 evidence work right here. I mean, seem that the honor very fine. I get it.
When you say something, I don't interrupt the Genti. when DOS suspends sit at home after disobeying Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on the second week of August, that's supposed to take, they announce it. Simon that came on air said that DOS instruction must obey. He said it on his program that they must obey DOS instruction.
Yes.
After 2 days, a woman came called Ned Ofebu. I quote Ned Ofebu. He said, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu cannot stop what is moving, what is good. That now Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that cannot stop what is good. That Biafra have obeyed sit at home, and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu cannot stop sit at home. The first person that made this comment was Ned Ofebu on some other platform. Ganti. Then from there, Samantha pick it up, say yes. That is where Samantha change again.
No, the day Simon Putarakuo na DOS say no nyendo se sit at home was on Sunday. Yeah, on Sunday. On Monday, I will sit at home. Everybody was, the whole Biafra land was locked down. Eruna Bali that Monday. On Sunday, Simon made this program. Now DOS say no nyendo se sit at home, that we should obey DOS. On Monday, the next day, nobody came out. Eruna Balia, Simon put up for program, where on the program. Always, but now only as one do sit at home. But the Biafra Jaka may sit at home, which means now you have to go now or you have to go autopilot. Not knowing onion they use go this autopilot. Oh, from that day, ka autopilot to be driven was the DOS Bruzeya. My brother, listen. Now by on Sunday, Simon announcement. Now DOS si onye ndu si sit at home, that everybody should stop sit at home. On Monday, Biafra land was sealed. Eruna Balia Simon Weputa, we see but Nasina onye ndu si sit at home. But na Biafra si jaga ha. Maybe sit at home. Not the Quaka Biafrans or need or like this sit at home. Now you have a autopilot. This is what he said. Oh, one of them will nearly Febu Senabna, or now nearly Febu Kuria, only can say later on. But I am telling you before God, a man.
You're not going to convince me. That I will also bring you point out. Now let's listen about the about the radio. What Chika said about it. Let's listen.
I will answer that question, because if I don't, it will be as if there is anything I'm hiding. Now listen. When William as well gave instruction that Simon Eba should be given a slot, and I repeat the word, a slot on Radio Biafra to broadcast like Maazaleje is broadcasting it today, a slot like Jonathan will broadcast, a slot like Peters will do, a slot like our Malaysia coordinator, a slot like each one of them, a slot. And then we said, first of all, that instruction came from Oyindu through Barrister Ejiofor. Barrister Ejiofor delivered that message properly, in the sense that he delivered to the leadership. But then he went ahead and also passed that message to Master Simon Eba himself. Now, we have a head of department of media, like we have departments under the US, and they all have heads that are heading them. The information that was given, the message from Oyindu that was given to us by Barrister Ejiofor was given not to Mazi or former directly, because the time difference between Australia and where he is and here was different. So Paul was still sleeping. But that message was given to one of us in the DOS, and we were waiting for Mazi Chinas and who received that message from Mazi from Barrister to wait for Barrister for a former to get up for him to give him that information, so that the former will fill in job as we follow our procedures. But before we know it, that information was already in the public through our brother Mazi Simon, who announced it already, and the confusion began. First of all, that was contrary to our procedures, but that was not the issue. We overlooked it. And then a meeting was called. Where the head of media was there, and some other two people were there, or three. And myself, as head of directorate, I came to witness how the discussion would go. And in that discussion, after they told Simon that yes, we need to give this instruction, but of course these things normally should have followed that process. But let's forget it now. If you are going to be part of this broadcasting, if you are going to be given a slot to broadcast, there are procedures. There are documents that you need to sign. Document of rules and regulations regarding the media department. The undertaking that every principal officer signs, those in the media, and of course our code of conduct. That these documents will be not available to him, and for him to look through it and sign. Someone said, no, he would not sign.
Do you know the documents?
Listen, no. If you're trying to talk, you talk. Now, I play this thing from Chika Pole Doziem. What transpired between that slot? The question now is that thing they asked him to sign, that they say is according to code of conduct or chain of command. Did Mazin Nani Kanu told them, okay, if we sign it or let him carry on? This is the question. This is another thing. But this is what happened. All that now, only Lucy, give him this slot. Forget about the code of conduct. No only do clear. Okay, whatever someone is talking, no man signed. Was there one video? Also, no one signed something. Okay, but I'm going to say, okay, if you want to broadcast on this radio, follow the chain of command, follow the procedure. Then take up doesn't want any blame to blame on it. But before we go, Mazi DK.
Just can you excuse me. Let me begin. Then I just need a chance. Go. Come ready to finish him.
I'm coming now. Tell this, I'm coming. I don't want to shout, but I'm we are here before.
Hide. Look, Nenye is Rosie, and those are now they suppose is the house direct. But now, Joffo, where the Josie Simon Epa. You got to go, and they annoyed. He is very annoyed that na Simon Anona Ihe Maziku from the beginning, even before Hawa. And Chetan is na if I Joffo, lawyer, and na couple with Simon Epa, and then they Omana Hama. So whereby no one do Zerozia, but Simon Koga na Radio Biafra, ne broadcast it. On when a right. The lawyer will have 100% right. This is Simon. The way you do because someone Simon know already. And don't you have to go follow this guy. Mana, the head of DOS, but they are annoyed. All we get you from the beginning. Also, no one na cooking here now. All na this interview. No, got the na hide or no was no there. Then, mbe hanuzri mbe yezri haya. Mba can have feelings condition. This is condition. Here we call DOS command and control. How what does the condition? And that condition now as I said now we hear his na amaro. And then when he calls also Simon Wonyama that condition whereby over ya na no he office kita enye di akwụkwọ to sign. All good language na amaro ago. You first of all give it to your lawyer. Lawyer gi go ya o mona me ga sign here ama we ga sign here. Because when he ga sign the thing will hook you. Mana maybe you go Simon that letter to sign. Mana no who do that thing. Here how you sign ya or DOS command and control. Yeah, where would go the thing? Go say Asemba. I cannot sign this. This is the reason to me here what happened. Because all no onye do say near ko sign ya a job for lawyer Garcia onye do say na you should sign so and start broadcasting. Mana ogwara adima how feel na the lawyer betrayed her by Simon Epa direct. Oh, I believe no how Simon assuming no how Baraya, how will you code of man Simon a bruise where idea or when you before, even right from beginning. Now you also Kwaragi, Udre Katola, Epara, about Biafra. If nobody inside your room, your daughter will bring it out.
I'm happy. But when I told Biafra before that these men have worked with Simon, but they are all together before. People are saying it's a lie. Now the mistake if I your form is that when about official assignment. That any that instruction is an official assignment. If you watch the video we play, if you want to change Capol, they don't say AKA enemy at the gate. Well, like that in DOS, they were different departments. No more people head in the department. And that official message when you know to send Chikapol to them for that to follow that chain of command, that official way of IPOB, the way IPOB did something. If I hear your phone out of now Simon about the friend, it's Simon Epa. And again, this message went down Chika Paul Edoziem and China Samoru. They are waiting for the head of media to go to form Australia. Because all to go to form will handle the issue. Because it falls down to his department, media department. But Chika Paul Edoziem, now that before then, Simon Eber have announced it. And that's not I'm not happy about it. But at the end of the day, they still overlook everything and go back to the board for Chukwu, the former head of media, to act on instruction. Then the person that work now, that now, because I have a video. Someone see that now. In a sense, sign any code of conduct when they send it there. I have a video about us that now. No, or carefully and no one they send it there. This is not the issue I'm saying. My issue is that give him a slot, let him broadcast, forget about the procedure. They should have respect the order of Mazin. Or on say, okay, give him a slot, let him respect the procedures. He must respect the procedures. This is my take. So one day, so go on.
Thank you. Mana if I need job for Simon Asi. If I need job for Simon or Ihemazi Nam the Calogara, if I need job for hey, go and tell Simon to be broadcasting. All not see ya, go and sign that they will give you paper, other way that thing. Mana di mana or you will sign you will sign. It was how go and after the first message onion do because onion do wanna look before onion do see Simon go and be broadcasting onion do ahuna broadcasting Simon epa onion do sucha that hard English that strong English Simon by this time only Simon only seen the Simon be 2 abali or 1 abali boot where till around 3 o'clock. Or in Simon onion do see if any Gaba Simon na oga broadcast one radio Biafra. Then Gwandia Kaha na Simon Gadian broadcast. But anyway, the reason again what
listen one again. Only under that message to Ifani to Simon. No. This is an official message in IPOB. In IPOB, we post studios in IPOB. Now listen. After Nelly of Kwe, highway attack head of plans, where they did not succeed. Chika Paul Edoziem one put the former. They all even Chika Paul Edoziem tender apology to Kanu. To go the former tender apology to on radio Biafra that I want that I might compete with that they should forgive them. That tells you in IPOB would post procedures in IPOB. Now
command and control. Now let you see a command and control.
I'm come there. Now let me come in terms of finance first. Only but na finance department, only the man ego na finance department. Only you still Ghana finance department with ego. You go there, Madam Nenya with the procedures to take that money out. And that's why you to see that now Madam Nenya is so lot of and everything they documented. That is why these people they want to go and take 14 million naira in America. Even we will take the second attack blackmailers against IPOB head of finance. When they want to take that 14 million in America, the woman in charge, Madam Chimwe, still no. They should go to IPOB head of finance to follow the procedure. And then when they contacted Kanunta called the woman said no, they should go and follow the procedure, the protocol. And when they go and follow the protocol, the money reduced from 14 million to 7 million. And that was all the attack happening here. A lot of people don't know this. So what I'm trying to tell you is that in IPOB they will post off everything, they will check off command in everything. Only when you let that message goes. If I need a job to Simon direct, no. If you give that order, that message to if I need a job to IPOB, Chika Paul Edoziem. So the procedure we follow. And again, one money because we are talking about not taking order from Onyen. I have pointed this one out. It's not now Onyen area. You know, but the fact is that Why is it that now anyone say for there, or you must accept? And why is it that don't listen not dissolve with your head? Almost it's making things for there. Why is it that don't dissolve? Yes,
okay, now, fine.
Why?
Okay.
Why is it that not all this not you tell you bad? And again, one money. The same man, baboon again that now. It's not who see that the go tell Biafra, Ujuku, Ewotele. Biafra was like Ewotele. Biafra, Martin can Ewotele. Or now some other the Biafra. He said it on video. He said,
oh, there with you. But I'm not going
to he said it. So one night, I will put emotion out and face reality. So
fine. Okay, good. Leanya now, Kai hapu DOS na Madam Leanya Hanagini, and kuna current. Now, get the way forward. I did with the Biafra. Kai mean the organo like this, the Mbola Mazin and the Kanu Jiruputa. Another way forward. You want to go? Another way forward. You can say, Mana since I'm only do bala inside, since I'm only do nonaka DOS, onwe beg anything. Nobody again. Ma wazirikeo, ma ojuku, ma only humonyazo. Nobody is championing Biafrans minus Simon Epa. To this extent, go where government in exile. When the magic one thing, over now this government in exile, adro useful. More other okay. It's not game allow office in America. The question.
First of all, that's why you usually drive before I want to talk. I'm not forgetting the first person age for age will get the way forward.
Yes.
Okay, now let me give answer to that. The way forward is that if you are an IPOB member, and if you are an IPOB family member, you must obey the instruction of Mazin and Kanu, because our leader is still bringing instruction up today.
Get instruction on your night. Get instruction here.
You must obey IPOB commander. And again, Mazin and Kanu, I will go on 95%. Before I got also that I'm coming back, and I will bring her. Today, go and check in Nigeria, their media, even the government, even so-called Emeka Anyoko, former Commonwealth General Secretary, is teaching national basics. If you on YouTube, a lot of big platform that cascade hasn't before. They are not teaching national basics. Today, IPO, out of a sudden, they see our zone, regional government in House of Land. And I can equip to today. So only that covers 95%, only 5% many. Now, all that need a full Simon follow him. Okay, he was follow him. One for the ones in Nandekano. And IPOB, we have one IPO and one POS. And we continue to defend and follow the instruction of Nandekano. No?
Okay.
So if you're asking me to tell you instruction on your you are not a member, and he wants to tell you, become a member, join your unit. Then you have to receive the message on your Thank you.
Okay. Now, we all IPOB and indigenous people of Biafra, everybody who indigenous people of Biafra. And we this Biafra now. Onyaga simba. Fine. Let me tell you something now. It's in only around 90, almost 95% or 5%. 95%. And that 5%, oh yeah, China. And all that 5% are the problem not down now, of which Abaribe say na ye meet go or consular Finland, that lady. Then what did the lady told him? The lady say, now government to government that they should go and discuss to them which government is that. Or what Finland government to here Biafran government in exile. And one line again, Senate President, Sina, imagine Simon Eber, Nona Finland, now command to sit at home. Now the whole eastern zones, only on a name obey to the extent government offices, which means Simon Eber is the real governor of eastern zone. Number 3, Musa, since 1 week, since 2 weeks, everybody is crying, Simon Eber, Simon Eber, Simon Eber, Simon Eber. This is that hell. This Simon Eber, Simon Eber, Simon Eber, Simon Eber. This is that hell. I am bringing hell. That hell now, here Simon Eber with now. Okay, it's not now. Only behind the bar while the head is moving on. So all that 5% for on, and that 5% for on we are here now Simon Eber name of which both military or civilian so money who one he could go down and buy YouTube in a screw now just one minute in a watch more in an interview in wonder how many people against Simon Eber and how many people the good now Simon Eber name in when he make check and balance
when you talk about IPOB, like you said, IPOB means Old Eastern Leader. Old Eastern Leader, including Ayasa, Cross River, Dr. Igwacha, Old Eastern now IPOB, that is in just people of Biafra. When you are born from there, you automatically Biafra by birth. They will talk about IPOB family. Everybody have IPOB family. Which one? IPOB family. Everybody have IPOB family. Go and verify. How many
IPOB family?
Get listen.
No. How many IPOB family? Listen. Okay.
IPOB family is the name of the movement. Don't ask me how many. We are registered over 100 countries in the world. We are over 100 countries. IPOB family is the movement. Is the name of the movement. The kind of where IPOB is short here, out. Then for you to be an IPOB family, means that you have to pay your dues. You have to do whatever the leader. You have to follow the chain of command, and most of that you have to obey the IPOB code of conduct. That is IPOB family for you members.
Everybody. Onye need IPOB family kita. All behind the bar.
Then on your Mazin Kanu. We see to IPOB family.
Konyo kwenye anaka.
Onye konye anaka, mwaka konye anaka.
Kenye mazichi kedozem na chena sanguru hao.
Listen, when I told you in my program, I said, there's no video, there's no clip, there's no. Let everyone, I have challenged everybody. Let everyone bring that anything in my absence. Chika Poli is the one. There's no clip. All this is propaganda, lies, blackmail. There's no way in my absence. Chika Poli is in control. Even the media wants.
Kanunta kalo woku hoya.
Give it up. Give it up.
That na chike dozem that you guys should do whatever he said because no young will the leader.
Okay, listen. Kanunta can say that we have one IPOB and one DOS.
Of which chike dozem is the head.
Don't lie again. Somebody. Can't that now. We have one IPOB and one DOS. And you must obey instruction of DOS. You must obey instruction of DOS. There's no way you can see that now. In absence of Master and is in charge. Even Chikapole doesn't himself to say that. Onyendu will lead us. Okay, hold on. I want you to hear from Chikapole now.
can hear him, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay,
Yes.
go ahead.
Okay, and I was saying that I thank sister that just spoke, especially again because at the last conclusion of her statement, she said it all because she said I'm the second in command. I'm the second in command. The first in command is there. I cannot honestly be expected to take over the work of the first command. The first command is reachable. He is still in charge. And that is what I have been trying to let our people know. That is also what the enemy wants us to prove. They want us to isolate our leader. Isolate him in the sense that believing that he's not in control. Oyendu is in control, and that is what we must push across. I am second in command. When there are issues that I can deal with immediately and deal with as second in command that does not need the input of Oyendu, I deal with them. Because I know he has taught me how to deal with those issues. But if there are so weighty issues that we need the first in command to make an input, I will act according to his instructions. And as I'm speaking to you, Oyendu is seized of the allegations about his head of finance. I know the instructions as he told me to carry out.
When I said this, I said this with evidence. When they didn't want to go to they look at from Chicago, they don't back now. This lies and propaganda from these people is from pit of hell. There's no place when you do bad, you might upset. There's no place.
He is the second in command. Whereby Oyendu na noro. And now Oyendu na noro ya, and he is the command.
Listen,
he is the command.
Listen. This video continue to give no problem now. This game play now. You never take a problem back. This is how you prove again.
I think it's Oyendu the head, but you are the second in command.
Yeah.
Oh, I am second in command. Name an issue. Go maybe yawa that control ya. Oyendu ga no ya. Or issue nile. And now Oyendu no ya. Oh, you are the commander now.
Listen, Genty, I want you to listen to this video again. Let me break it again. If I break it again, it makes a statement again, we'll move on. We'll talk about another thing. That is me.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
You can hear him, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
go ahead.
Okay, and I was saying that I thank sister that just spoke, especially again because at the last conclusion of her statement, she said it all because she said I'm the second in command. I'm the second in command. The first in command is there. I cannot honestly be expected to take over the work of the first command. The first command is reachable. He is still in charge, and that is.
Okay, I got it. You know now, I am the second in command. The first command is there. It's reachable. I cannot take the work of first command. Even I'm now.
Listen, another dragi DOSO. Ihe mere m ji bata here o maka Prime Minister Simon Ekpa.
No, excuse me. No.
Ihe m na-adị i nwere ike ịgwa anyị way forward. No. Listen, no. The reason why I'm ji bata here o because it could be about Simon Ekpa. So let me clarify it. Then it's now ihe niile na-eme ọ nọ na Finland by to vote gịnị a na-atụ vote and the referendum vote a na-atụ aka na-atụ ya and ọ na-aga ọnwụ na igere Ukraine summit agara amaminu ihe that lady kwuru exactly what Simon Ekpa is doing. Assuming why Nigerian government ji help up that news even in our platform you look at that news ka atụkasịa ya. We only knew what happened there through platform Prime Minister Simon Ekpa and other people like Vam, Sonia Barawa, and the 247 then. And he happened there exactly what Simon Ekpa is doing. Self-defense. No, you with the right to defend yourself. You with the right to defend yourself from any enemy beggar attack. And exactly that dimension now. Onyendu say now this guy is going to. Look, let me tell you one thing. On a game.
Sometimes man. Listen. In law, in life, self-defense first law as a human being. Self-defense first thing everywhere in the world. Once you were a human being on this earth, self-defense, no matter what self-defense, and manage your leader will do. You defend there yourself. It's a law. Even in human charter, it's a law. I am not disputing that. Now, you talk about IPO referendum. Now, I want you to mention, tell me one country on this planet, not somewhere to vote. They create there a country in other land. Give me a country that cast a vote in a foreign land. They created a country in their own land.
I wanna have to vote on a Biafra land. Nigeria now. I wanna have to vote on Nigeria. Are you not seeing people their vote?
They listen one don't contradict yourself. According to your prime minister, all balloon that that now November, we made the land only one balloon. About balloon, and we're talking about November. Whatever you guys are doing Biafra land is not you guys, and it doesn't count. There's no evidence that they can talk about one. Well, for me, anyone talking about they don't know what they do. I'm at you right now. From one country on this earth, here no somewhere else, no foreign land, when vote to create a country in their homeland. Mention one for me, please. People are listening to us.
I wanna Nigeria cannot vote. Man, listen. Only one na to vote ya. Only one na to vote. Vote what to China.
Okay.
Listen. Only in Nigeria they got to vote. Hence you are a Biafran. Hence you want to leave that. Hence you want to belong to the self-referendum. Hence it in the this referendum going do native places. Of which all has okay, make we do the referendum, make we see. All like this. And we want to do so Nigeria.
I think the first time I told you that now. When you have control in your territory, that's people and everything they're gonna and I said to you then that now, someone claim that now, not the charge, not the control in their land. They told them as okay, no about all state, about the all state.
From where? From the Nigeria for war, yeah?
Yes, from the Nigeria, yes. In about it.
And when you hear the Kanu state, Nigeria came to state.
Okay, but you know about the news about the Kanu state.
Why the news you put out? Because Simon Ekman we are accurate to go all these states.
Let me say something about the news about all these states.
They said it because now because government in exile accurate to go to
about the news, yes or no?
Hana see has a one now I think he will tend their main all state.
Okay. Now, and all that nice never asking. All at the end of the day, that all these states now pass all the bill and House of Web and state that pass and everything. Then all these states. Okay, I am the one. I made the election with the governor. Okay, huh?
When you get me kwano? You're gonna take out to the vote.
Again. I'm talking about this all this thing.
You must sometimes I'm going to draw good neck. I didn't have to tell you. I'm not this Biafra or no, and you Biafra. Uno, Biafra or Biafra.
No, you have a point. No.
Program in a napta or Biafra no, I just do not Biafra. This is the question.
Don't run away from the question.
I'm not running away because the one Nigeria what they say to that because
give me chance. Guarantee. Simon has said all the control of Biafra land. We create about 50-something progress in Biafra land. On the charge. On a great people not. Now that place also not in charge today. The Nigerian government can now have to create the whole states, and that whole state will be from Imo State, Abia State, and Anambra State. Now you know that now. All of that pass here to the House of Rep and Senator and the President Mayor okay. And why you governor today? Yes or no?
I got here because I got here.
Okay, only you stop here.
agaghị eke ya because ọ gaghị ekwe omume mana ihe m na-achọ iji gị nwanne listen forget laugh unu chọrọ ka anyị nwee Biafra ka unu chọrọ ka anyị nọrọ inside Nigeria na-akpagharị ihe anyị na-agbagharị.
Okay.
Biafra. Can you give the way forward? Ihe anyị ga-eme ka anyị nwee Biafra because ọ ihe a ka onye ndu ji nọrọ inside.
Okay, now let's come to this question again. Because family with it. What you go here? You can no. If I have this all the time, and you have anytime to my program, Biafran national anthem. Oh yeah, and on I Friday I take all my program. When I start my food program, I must play Biafran national anthem.
How do I watch here?
And again, anytime I know my food program, I have any Biafra. And why I do this? Showing you my commitment in Biafra struggle. Now, all people like me, I talk Biafra. All the days, time, this app, I give Google today. I'm a book every month. Other people are asking them to write for them. It's not an app. Like forget about the money. Oh, some people in America, but some others way they want to pay for it. So no, you're making it. On my own, maybe they're watching me now. But now, I pick up my time. Only when I protest, I go to protest. I fight. Oh, that guy Belgium. I fight to city to Belgium. I stop. Okay, no Austria. I am going to Vienna on protest. If my wife is killing, I protest. All those things. And also, I'm a member of IPOB. In the last night, I'm like me. I don't have anything to be about because we are saying that somebody is doing something that I don't believe.
Then when you need support to see Nigeria Ike state inside Biafra while I not sure in this Biafra.
Listen, one money. I am not supporting Nigeria in anything. But the fact is that I am pointing out things in the facts. Now somebody, a man in a foreign land, does not create a state. Now somebody in a foreign land, not in control, in a place not in control.
Assuming
I'm coming. In a place, Nigeria government tell them more place. Even Mazen and Kanu have not done that because Mazen and Kanu not about reality. Yama, you know UK, not great group there. And why Nigeria president is in control? And somebody will go there in Finland, create a little country. I'm not going there, create a little Biafra bank. Somebody will go to Finland, make it to currency. Then you come need what they know. So man, on the money. Come on.
Mana which means we are assuming no one do. Assuming no one do name all these things someone name ke he go ke he will name because formula ni someone name exactly you know this yameme. Okay, assuming no one do no we are London name all these things because only do no sit at home everything now work all on a lot of going to be at home only don't buy it to people the name here
one if look at the kids are all deep now no if they say assuming no one do all these things
why do you so assuming because only don't behind the bar and they need someone you only do what me
there was a time I always ask them on it. He knows that one. The season made to reduce so don't go by listening here. Here's some people who create for movement and to do create this movement. You have to go in design. And again, and he said that he takes the
because DOS has a function now. I need organization.
One again, I am not talking about DOS. I'm talking about
that's why it's when government in exile.
One list against also IPOB family and the Simon Eber movement came not about their first call. Also two of them. Also two of them.
Also two of them now. Even the front line of Biafran government in exile. That is the only people now struggle for this. Okane mezi. He na-ekwu ihe my brother.
Okane mezi. Okay. Ya maka Oji nwere movement ya.
Onye nwe Oji nna enwere ụdịrị akụkọ na-adị na-akọ sometimes.
Ya maka Biafra vacancy this boy not possible. Listen, let me tell you one man.
Onye nwere na-akpọ PLA ha niile nọ under Biafran.
One again.
A
lot of people with their movement. A lot of people with movement natural. A lot of people with their own movement. So you don't tell me because you're not a member, or don't tell me because you're not for the power irrelevant, or I want to do small. There are still an organization. Natural this about legislation. Okay, Dr. Jose K. Biafra end of council, something like that. So what I'm trying to say that now, every different people natural about this Biafra failure. But even that two arrowhead people who they go about it. Now the two
India are born under government in exile. You know idea. IPOB needed under Simon now because all the whole IPOB needed to Simon, not just few people we here cannot know who here in now. IPOB needed one day he has needed now. I need a fundraising.
From this your point, another point also. So I'm going to get people are listening. So another point also you need to get again.
Yes, the point to me because government in exile would the only government now one go for this wine, and of which both home and abroad now a follow of which as I said before, if I get online or whatever, or if on street no interview now, the only thing how Biafran government in exile, and everybody they happy now here and everybody it's only the politicians. When is also the politicians and the only people make it against this government in exile. Despite the politicians and the few people when I issue like this, mama, everybody minus Biafran government in exile, he create BLA. Well. Manila since BLA waradi, since BLA wara no, and then when since BLA wara no, the things will come more down, the killings will come more down. Only thing know that now the government, I mean the politicians in the buy are like the people because they know what they are doing. And just look at Wike. After much, I can see in the pot in the weekend, give us name here. Or when we kekini kokuya ngwale no biano nkesi na Igbo nama enyeji 500 nama bogi enyeji 500. Where is he now? One mistake onye ona neme. The only mistake anta neme after that 4 years or 8 years you will not see them again, you will not hear them again. Ngwale no wadu deka ojuzo kalo onekwa anything again. Even my Zogodu president in another voice again. Ngwale no wadu deka Rocha Sokorocha. In another voice, Rocha again. Even he's a governor, more he's a president, more we anything. You can't hear them again. It's only and here we were now, 4 years, 8 years. How powerful? You will not hear them again, and people will still suffering. But Prime Minister and the government in exile, when they not strong, and they right from beginning. Mazinam de Kanu, they are against the politicians, what they are doing. That's why exactly the government in exile, they were against what the politicians are doing, the way they are conducting. What? How do you suppose? But after 8 years, after 8 years, you will know governor Imo State. After 4 years now, 8 years, you will not hear him again. When you cannot have voice here, bam, just like if I over them, just like Governor Anambra Soludo. before Soludo Mereke got to na Biafra something. It's like being a feed. You are feeding an lion at the time will grow. So that they will take care. They're not banning no chichi now. One is your uncle. One has a good anything. Upon P2B. Upon everything. P2B that go through. Why they make a pen? No Kanu. What is that your name? So this is one problem. I in the Yoruba they are different. Can I the confidence? Now go their national item. All of them. Man, I can buy unless so go. When you and you go on a platform here. Labo. Equal anything stand strong about Biafra. Man, I be strong. No matter how many shiki. Man, I have to make look. I know ha. No, my brother. I got to see this nyanga. Here one thing nebu, especially in Dibo. This is one thing nebu in Dibo. You want to step,
One that I mute you, I'm still telling. Man, still telling now. If on my platform, I give all the time. Still telling. You see the time you video, not only any broadcasting you're gonna hear, because of time, and but I want people to say their mind. This is me. But that's what telling. No let your people. They continue. Because you won't say your mind. You kill it. So I will not stop people to ask you to stop. You have to stop. All those things in the book now, over 5 minutes in the book now. It's out of our point. If I dedicate, if I book here, you're talking about Nigeria issue. If you want to talk about Nigeria issue, you have to get until now. If you're talking about the man in Finland, that's about Nigeria issue. Now, for years, Simon now, they will make the holding of man in Nigeria is so much expensive to the Nigerian government. That will be
not expensive to them because he has to write down what they have for.
Yes or no? Optago? The answer is no. Now, when you do mass in Nandi Kanu, I'm still putting out 95%. Go 5% for. And that 5% that we are not now. All that here, we're going to nominate political advisor. This is that 5% they're working now. That is why all Nigerians, President Tinubu, former American, this is why they're talking about regional government. So when they go about ways of they say your own gift ways of the law. So what I'm saying is that going there, man, that's all. Give them the law. It's not joking, man. Came out like and Biafrans, man, the man in the mountain, and everything in the media, even the Senate on state floor, on state president, even the house of first staff, doing about someone ever. The number one man, the president, the number one man, they say no. We don't have about the member then that person.
Okay, sorry, from the beginning, my Simon Ekpasi release Onyendu or Hansia up. Release Onyendu Yawa, Okusinya name. More than release Onyendu, no, they made the kidnapping of Onyendu useless to them, and though they may be costly. And that is where we are, and that is what is happening. But why not release that man? Let's see if there will be peace. Let us see if Simon Ekpa will stop what he's doing. The reason why Simon Ekpa because no his leader. And this guy is asking, release my leader. Let me forget what we are doing. But the leader, he said it many times. And the people are saying that to release the leader. Even if you talk about releasing Mazin and Dekalo, they don't want to hear that. Then can he also Simon Ekpa has released. Also saying I call the attention of the release. Also saying young one you put now fight the government. Also yeah. So saying I call the release of Mazin and Dekalo. With your name also yeah. So yeah. Okay, click on them. Click on them. fine by self-referendum, by create BLA, by stop all the checking point unity and enabling the mother. And the Gumi say that now he will stop Biafran nonsense with Simon Epa. Or say Biana Libo. Come, just stop boy at Ifo. But when he's in Mazin Nam de Kalo, my leader, then I will stop whatever is happening. Try when Guanohan and Kahari Zay Unindu. Time of my hair, so Simon Epa happened on a man and on a friend of fine. I don't make a friend of.
Okay, listen. The point here, I think I'm about 8 points. By referendum on by BLA, right? And by what again? I see that's one. Different things here.
Now, but they saw the 8.
No, it's not. But even Yemo now, it's not in Yemo now. It's the one name, it's not a name. They go there, and that's what people by the referendum by BLA. By sit at home also, but maybe nobody will get also. Nobody will keep body around there. Come for also, was also.
Also, release the onion do Capusi Haneme, but release the onion because no Simon there was in Subu. I will now.
It's not actually say go source here. I call the film of Martin is not source here. By what is doing, no, by BLK and by now, the land of America. Second, about Biafran Liberation Army. Chile, they claim our borders. Out of me, now let me ask you, out of that 5 soldiers, they will have more than every one there.
Can you do
no, I don't want to ask people there. Out of that 5 soldiers, answer my question first. Out of that 5 soldiers,
no, because I want the Buddha.
Okay, after that 5 person more than every there. Okay. Let me tell you. 3 people won't die. What because maybe that's why we just go there again. All those killing should stop. All those fighting should stop. That now to cause something of and those people of half of their behavior, even Nigeria government will lie, people in a head bridge, people in a ice, people in Biafran war. You don't suppose people got their note. Then another person one that way I go to where you it's simple no then that in them and you know
that mistake couldn't end. You guys no.
One day my passport, why I said stop, you stop. You say, don't tell me stop. Don't tell me something. You say stop. I'm talking. So those people live on here. Never apa. Never able. Apo, never would mad. All one day okay me to level. But okay me to level. And I say that no, it's not the way. Only to say no. That is not the way. Only to say that not your Biafran to be at peace. You see, no. Then we're asking you, since you do in that area, that armed struggle, it's yes, literally man. It literally made that armed struggle. Or dissolve go, the problem they at hand. The answer is no. Okay, dissolve go the problem they at hand. Because the armed struggle or the clear. Only the man can actually. So in that that it's okay. It's up to you. So Mazi, as a free man, you can say your mind and give your take home points. I have to.
Yeah, and me too. Thank you for this nice conversation. I knew go here did I. And my life sometimes put on a platform or die, and I'm like so because on the bye now. Here we hendi atayimwa. On will open the Ruban when he came no Ibunimia. I did just beha, and the Behona Bahananti. That's why in the Naniga Mahini Lemni one ma one among you was and my life because on the bike I'm now. In Haida Puseo, Unibu, Umuro Maya Nebu, Ndi BNA non Yahu. Say for you that self defense, in the UN Nebuya. Le go do Ndia Hacho Nabia by Buhana Bosso, only in an Hausa can Asroha. The man Nasro has no Basiloso, when Wayo. I'm in an Hausa, Petro Nausa, I'm on Nubu. I'm born the bank I threw of my when house now some Namaho. I was a Asroha. You know how Una Basiloso, when Wayo, Una Basilaba, giving the Gaigan, or who from Polonia by no day. Man, look. One thing unu ge I didn't go moon, na didn't go why. No, ila ndigama mambe asari dokubo otagodiri ndo mmadu. Keki si file, keki si file na mmaga na egbugi. Onda gini. Mo keki si file na igaga na egbum. While I na achọ nwere why. Ndị awu gekwentio on Sunday a na-eme sala na ona Zamfara. Imamodo le gburu de. O nwere one man no 92 years. Ha pere ya gogo. Also na mmadụ 6 ahụ ha gburu ndị ọzọ emerechachara ha ahụ. Lee anya m agwa gị, onye ndu siri anyị ọkwa ndị a na ha na-abịa. Onye ndu siri na ha ga-abịa, ha ga-egbu anyị, ga-egbu ha, mana emesịa anyị ga-enwere onwe anyị. Ọbịbịa ahụ ha na-abịa. And ihe Prime Minister Simon na-emewo iji ihe ndị BLA na-emewo ndị ahụ bịa gị igbu anyị. Iyiri efe amị bịa n'igbu anyị. Ha gburu gị nke a gbasa gị. And otele onye ndu tiwa.
Biafra shall come. At the end of the day, Biafra shall come. What's the matter? Biafra shall come. They go for coming. They will